Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is gonna be our video number 45 of the series. And here is our question, that is how to code a square in Python with the help of Turtle library. Okay, so I have already created a file. Let's first import our Turtle library. It is a standard Python library, by the way, and it provides graphics primitives for creating images. Let's create a variable that is my turtle equal to turtle. So what we are doing, we are creating a turtle object. Now we'll start our for loop for I in range of 4 because it's a square. My turtle dot forward 100. So this will move the turtle forward by 100 units in the direction. After that we have to turn the turtle right by 90 degrees. Okay, so we'll use the right method and we'll provide it 90-degree. The turtle is now facing a new direction. My turtle dot hide turtle. So this will hide our turtle, so it is now visible when the drawing is displayed. And after that we have to write turtle dot done. So this line enters the turtle main loop and waits for the user to close the turtle graphics window, and the done method is a method of the turtle module is to use to prevent the window from closing immediately after the code has been executed. So let's save our file and run the code. Okay, it is working. Cool. We have to close this window. Let's run our program again. I like this library, by the way. So just give it a try and let me know your thoughts in a comment section. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues. And make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye-bye.